Hi friends, welcome. This is Ms. Barmea, and today on our online lesson we will be talking about 2D shapes and vertices. Are you ready? Great, let's begin. Let's remember that our 2D shapes are shapes that are flat. This is a square. Repeat after me. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, rhombus. Sometimes rhombuses are called diamonds, and that's okay, but we prefer that you call it a rhombus. Can you say it? Rhombus. Trapezoid, Pentagon, Hexagon. Those are some big words, and those shapes only the older kids use. So you guys are already very, very smart by knowing these shapes. Now, let's talk about vertices. Vertices sounds like something very strange, but really it's something really, really simple. Let's learn all about vertices. This is a square. A square has lines and it has vertices. So first, let's count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This square has 4 sides, okay? And we can see where the lines meet. Here's a line, here's another line, and where they meet this little corner right here, that's a vertice. Can you guys say it? Vertice. So let's count how many vertices this square has, okay? And I'm gonna use little circles to mark them. 1. Do you guys see another vertice? Very good. Here's another one. Oopsie. 2. Do you guys see another one? Show me. Very good. Does it have another one? Very good. Okay, we can see that this square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to write 4. And I'm going to count the vertices. And remember, vertices is where the 2 lines meet, okay? They create a little corner. So let's count. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So this square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Let's do the same with another shape. This is a circle. Now, a circle is very special because a circle just goes round and round and round. The circle does not have sides. Do you guys see a straight line? No. The circle is just one curved line that goes around and around and around. There's no straight lines. So a circle has 0 sides. Now, let's take a good look at this circle. Does it have any vertices? Are there any lines that meet to create a corner? You guys are smart. That's right. There's no vertices because there's no lines. So a circle has 0 sides and it has 0 vertices. Very good. Now let's see the triangle. First, let's count the sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 straight lines. So this triangle has 3 sides. Now let's count those vertices, and remember, it's where two straight lines meet, okay? So here I see 1. Here I see another one. And right here I see another one. So let's count how many vertices are on this triangle, or how many this triangle has. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Very good. The triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Sorry guys, I'm making very ugly numbers. Okay, now this is a rectangle. A rectangle is just like a square, except the rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. See, this side is long and this one is short. So let's count how many sides this rectangle has. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? 4. Very good. It has 4 sides. Now let's count. Let's find the vertices. Ready? I see one right here. I see one right here. I see one right here. And another one over here. So let's see how many vertices or corners this rectangle has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So this rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Good job. Let's take a look at our rhombus. Let's find out how many sides or straight lines our rhombus has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Our rhombus has 4 sides. Now let's find our vertices, remembering that our vertices are where 2 straight lines meet. See, here's a straight line, here's a straight line, and that's where they meet. So that's our vertice. So there's one. I see another one right here. 2. Can you find the other one? 3. Very good. And the last one is right here at the bottom. Very good. So this rhombus has 4 vertices. So a rhombus has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Now, let's take a look at our trapezoid. Okay. First, let's find out how many straight lines our trapezoid has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So our trapezoid has 4 sides. Now let's find out how many vertices it has. Count with me. 1, 2. Oh, I lost my ring. 3 and 4. Very good. How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. You guys are doing a great job. I'm sorry, that looks not like a 4. 4. So the trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Very good. Now let's take a look at our super hard shape. And this shape is a pentagon. Say it with me. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Can you guys say pentagon? I want to hear you. Pentagon. Very good. Now let's see how many vertices or corners this pentagon has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A pentagon has 5 vertices. 5. Now let's do the same with our hexagon. Can you guys say hexagon? Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, look at you guys learning these big shapes. Let's find out how many vertices are in this pentagon. Remember, vertices are the little corners or where the 2 straight lines meet. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, and 6. Wow, our pentagon has 6 vertices, 6 sides and 6 vertices. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, now let's get to our homework. For your homework, you're gonna have 3 different activities on boom cards. Okay, the first one looks like this. Shh, Coco. Sorry, that was my doggy. Okay, so the first one says find the pictures that are shaped like a triangle. So you're gonna come and you're gonna find all of the pictures that are shaped like a triangle. And maybe that one? Oops. Not that one. I was going by these, but that's not a triangle. That's the whole, it's counting the whole square. Okay. And find all the rectangles. So you go and you find all of your rectangles. You check it, and that's that. Let's go back to our other activity. This is going to be the other homework. This one says match the object to the shape. So the first one is a rectangle, circle, square, and triangle. And then you check. Very good. And our last one is going to be this one. This is how many sides? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you pick 4. Then name the shape. Triangle. So you click on the triangle. Okay. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the boom cards, and I hope you learned that vertices, even though it sounds scary, it's very, very easy. And just keep practicing. I miss you. I love you. And I hope to see you guys very, very soon. Bye.